This is Business Visualization and Energy Transfer by Mark Rubin. This is a scale model of my 1-800-GOT-JUNK business in Washington, D.C., and the scaling is set to the numbers related to the income of the business in 2005. And what you're looking at is a sales funnel. And the sales funnel is cross sections of a cone. And those cross sections are laid out on the top, spinning gears. And what that's showing is the value and speed of the money flowing through the business. The first gear is traffic, which is the people that are aware of the 1-800-GOT-JUNK website. And the gear on the right, the small gear that's spinning slowly, is profit. And what's happening is customers are being moved through a series of processes by people doing work. And what this diagram is showing is the speed and value of the money, the processes that people are doing, and the performance of the people who are doing those processes at each step in the sequence. And this work moves customers through the funnel and onto the income statement. And the bottom of the income statement is profit, and that again is the gear on the right. And what's happening here is that momentum is conserved in terms of dollars per hour and dollars per hour squared, which is income velocity and income acceleration. And this model is a visualization of energy transfer, of the transfer of money as it's moving through a business system. And what is making this money move is energy. And that energy came from the sun. The energy that is moving the money is in two forms in this case, and maybe a third in terms of electricity. But what's happening primarily is that human beings are lifting objects in 1-800-GOT-JUNK, which is a junk removal business. We take away large, bulky items from people's houses, and we put them into trucks. And then we drive those trucks to a transfer station and sort and recycle them and dump out what we can't recycle. And we do this in exchange for money. And the energy equivalent in terms of calories that people need to eat to move enough junk for the company to make $1 million of profit is 52,000 Big Macs. That's the number of calories approximately that people would need to eat to move the tonnage in the speed necessary to convert those calories into money. Also, the trucks would require 10,000 gallons of gasoline to carry the tonnage through the place where I live and to the transfer station and move the trucks, the weight of the trucks and the weight of the junk. So what's happening is that calories in food and calories in gasoline are converted into money by people doing processes. And again, this model visualizes the transfer of calories that is the input into money and money into profit that lives in a bank account.